Master teacher, Honorable Chief Guest, parents and my dear friends, my name is Imran Chatterjee. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August, Independence Day of our country. Today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our nation. On this day, 1947, we got independence from British rule. Independence Day is our national festival. Today, most of all, we should pay tribute to the freedom fighters who have put everything at stake to make this country free. No mind how many freedom fighters have lost their lives to liberate our country, but it is their mind also of the struggle and sacrifice of thousands of great freedom fighters, including Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B. Ambedkar, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Sir Zahir Ahmad Khan, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Astagfirullah Khan, Kudirande, Rani Lakshmidar, Chandrasekhar Azad, and others. It is also viewed as Independence Day. India is fighting this problem like corruption, violence, crime, poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, and others. We all should try to end these problems here. Let us organize our hands to make India the best country in the world. Educate, and organize. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.